guys, welcome back to Stephie Creates. Oh my gosh, it's a new journal that you have not seen. Okay, so what I did is I used to get Doki Doki boxes from Japan Crate. Basically just a bunch of different fun, cute stuff from Japan. They would send you goodies every month. There was obviously a subscription box. So since I loved their pink box, I took the bottom of the box. Sorry, I took the bottom of the box and the top of the box and made a little journal. I put some. Oh, this is so old. I put some scrapbook paper on here and then Mod Podged it. So this is just kind of a random journal. Basically it started out as just like collaging journal with like magazine cutouts and stuff. So a lot of it is just magazine cutouts, scrapbook paper, a little bit of drawing, old magazine cutouts. So I took my younger sister's magazines that she collected from high school and stuff, because at the time I was in college. And I just, when I had moved back home, I kind of took her magazines and just started cutting things out. And anything that caught my eye, anything that jumped out at me. So I still have a lot of the magazine cutouts in the thing. So kind of just created this with what I was feeling. So this is basically feeling. So I painted that, put some gems on there, just whatever mood I was in. This is a poem I wrote. I do not want you guys to read that because I am, it is called Take Off That Mask, but sorry, I don't want you to read it because I am going to make a poem book and get it published, and I don't want anybody stealing my poem before I have it published. Yeah, so here's some more stuff. Open to start your, this is the very first flip page I've ever did. I kind of just, you probably can't see that. Magazine, all that. Continued. Some of these I started and didn't finish, so I'll worry about that later because I want to start something new. This I did with gelato, rainbow. Another poem that is going to be in my poem book when I publish it. And then I have some blank pages that I haven't done anything on yet. Here's some more. So basically they're just backgrounds. This is a drawing I did in 2006. Just like a little sketch. And a Toki Doki coloring page. Just random painting. And then this was at the end. This is the one I actually want to do. I want to do the middle part of it. So I pulled that one out. So for these pages, I just take mixed media paper, rip it out, fold it, and then cut the holes in. And like I said, I'll worry about these other pages later. So yeah, it's just a random journal of random things, random feelings. So we're going to put that aside. And today we're going to do this. Well, first I'm going to do the background. Some glue on the page here. Make sure you guys are still seeing. Okay, so I got my watercolor brushes that you fill with water. These are the ones I normally use with my markers. So the markers we're going to use today are bow, whatever you want to call them, markers. So these are all my greens. These are my blues and purples. Oh my god. I just found something that goes in someone's Happy Meal and I am so happy because I lost it and I thought my girls took it. Oh my god, I can finally complete that Happy Meal now. I'm gonna stick that in the drawer. So anybody watching this video, like Sharon, if I say, oh my god, I can't find that again, tell me it's in the drawer. Okay, that makes me so happy. I'm sorry. Random. Okay, so I got my blues and my purples here, and my green, yellow, turquoise, and, well, greenish yellow, turquoise, all the greens. And then I have in here my orange and taupes, pinks and reds. And then I have my browns, and then I have my grays and my blacks. So I have these all organized. They actually go in my drawer, in my Alex drawer. So I just pulled them out for this. They're stored in there exactly like that. And then these are stored in my paintbrush drawer. But anyways, so I pretty much have all the colors except for two. This one and the gray. The cool gray, and if they have any other colors. So I actually printed this off their website and laminated it, so I had the color guide, so I know what color, whatever color I want to use. And this is probably glaring really bad for you guys. I'm so sorry. So yeah, not sure what I want to create yet, but I know I want to make something. So give me a few and I'll... Okay, I got my inspo picture ready to go. Alright, so we are going to start with the lighter color. I'm trying to get this to sit up for me. Okay, there we go. The lighter color. I think it's in here. Maybe. Nope, it's right here. And then lighter than that, like 850. Is 850 not in here? In here. Here it is. Right. And then $803. Okay. So from there. Now blues and purples. Let's do purple. This one is 673. And then from Periwinkle, I want to do a blue. What's this one? 533? Peacock blue. It's pretty close. Okay, so these are the colors I'm going to use in creating this piece. So I'm going to put you guys on fast forward and enjoy the time lapse. So here's my journal for today. Sorry it is so late, but this is how it turned out. I had a blast creating it, and I'm absolutely in love with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!